You won't believe how easy it is to make this delicious 2-ingredient, no-bake dessert. Let me show you how. Drain a tin of peaches. You'll need 235 grams or 8¼ ounces of tinned peaches. I've placed a damp kitchen towel under my cutting board so that it doesn't slip while I'm chopping. Chop 180 grams of dark chocolate. That equals about 1 cup of dark chocolate chips. If you're using a bar of chocolate like I am, you'll want to chop these into fairly fine pieces, quite evenly so that they melt really well. Place your chopped chocolate into a bowl and melt it, either on a double boiler or in the microwave.
And I'm going to microwave mine.
Blend your peaches in your blending implement of choice. I'm using a food processor, but you could use a blender or even a food mill. Once you have this smooth puree, add in your chocolate. Now give it another blitz.
And this is what your mixture should look like.
And if you're not a fan of peaches, you could swap it out for any other soft or tinned fruit. Spoon the mixture into a tin of your choosing. I'm using a 1-pound loaf tin, but you can actually just put these straight into ramekins and not demold them if you want to serve it that way. I just like a nice slice, so I'm going to pop it in this little loaf tin. Smooth it out as best as you can. I've also lined my tin with a piece of parchment paper just to make it easier to lift it out at the end. And into the fridge. This will need to cool for at least 3 to 4 hours or until it's set up. It should have a slightly mousse-like consistency. To remove it from your pan, just run a knife around the edges. If it's really firm, you could just dip the pan in a little bit of hot water to release them.
Then carefully lift it out and turn it onto your serving plate.
To make it look a little bit more elegant, I'm going to shave some chocolate on the top. Not like that. It might technically be cheating, but I'm adding a 3rd ingredient by sprinkling on some sea salt. This is optional, but it really elevates the chocolate flavor.
This creamy chocolate peach mousse is so delicious, you wouldn't know it doesn't have any cream in it. You're going to make it over and over again.
Do you think you'll enjoy this dessert with the peaches? Or would you try it with another fruit? Let me know down below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button while you're there. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.